Foreclosure is a legal process by which a defaulting borrower loses his interest in the property used as collateral for a mortgage loan or deed of trust. When the process is complete, the lender can sell the property and keep the proceeds to pay off the mortgage and any legal costs. When a borrower loses a home to foreclosure, any equity which existed is most likely lost. The foreclosure becomes public record, and the borrower's credit is damaged. Real estate tax liens are enforced through tax foreclosure sales. Types of foreclosure. Judicial foreclosure allows the sale of the mortgaged property under the supervision of the court, with the proceeds going first to satisfy the mortgage, then other lien holders, and finally the borrower if any proceeds are left. Lacking the power of sale provision, a lender must file a foreclosure suit and undertake a court proceeding to enforce the lien. The suit asks the court to terminate the defendant's interests in the property, order the property sold publicly to the highest bidder, and order the proceeds applied to the debt. If a borrower has failed to meet loan obligations, the lender can accelerate the loan. A lis pendens gives public notice that the mortgaged property may soon have a judgment issued against it. A notice of pendency is only legal notice of a pending action that involves the title to or possession of a specific piece of real estate. It could not be used in a suit to recover attorney fees or broker commissions. The borrower's right of redemption is the right to reclaim a property that has been foreclosed by paying off amounts owed to creditors. The right to redeem property between the time of the default and the foreclosure sale is the equitable right of redemption. Statutory periods of up to a year following the sale for the owner of a foreclosed property to redeem the estate are known as statutory right of redemption. Statutory right of reinstatement is available when the borrower wants to cure the default, bring payments up to date, and reinstate the loan as if the loan had not been accelerated at all. The court's writ of execution authorizes an official to seize and sell the foreclosed property. Judicial sale. All parties are notified in writing of the sale. The sale is advertised in a newspaper with general circulation, and the property is sold to the highest bidder. The winning bidder receives a certificate of sale, not a deed. The person holding the certificate will receive a sheriff's deed only after the sale has been confirmed. Sale proceeds are paid in the following order. 1. The cost of the sale. 2. Any special assessment taxes and general or ad valorem taxes. 3. The first mortgage, determined by the order of recording, and then 4. Whatever is recorded next. A deficiency judgment enables the lender to attach and foreclose a judgment lien on other real or personal property the borrower owns. Non-judicial foreclosure. When there is a power of sale provision in the mortgage or trust deed document, a non-judicial foreclosure can force the sale of the liened property without a foreclosure suit. The power of sale clause in effect enables the mortgagee to order a public sale without court decree. If the borrower fails to cure the defaults or use other legal means to stop the sale, the lender may conduct a public auction. There is no redemption right in non-judicial foreclosure. If proceeds do not cover the debt, the lender does not obtain a deficiency judgment or lien, but must file a new deficiency suit against the borrower. A strict foreclosure is a court proceeding that gives the lender title directly instead of giving cash proceeds from a public sale. First, the lender must give appropriate notice to the delinquent borrower. Next, the lender prepares and records the paperwork. After a prescribed period, the lender files suit in court. The court orders the borrower to pay the mortgage debt by a certain date. If the debt is not paid in full by the deadline, the court orders transfer of full legal title to the lender, and the lender gains title with no obligation to sell the property. Alternatives to foreclosure. A deed in lieu of foreclosure transfers legal title to the lien holder. A lender may accept a deed in lieu of foreclosure from a borrower the lender deems financially incapable of making mortgage payments. A short sale occurs when a lender allows a borrower in default on mortgage loan payments to sell the mortgaged property for less money than necessary to satisfy the loan in order to avoid the delay and expense of a foreclosure sale.